So what are we doing today, Braden?
Taking out the 2018 LaCrosse for a rip.
So do you want to ask Jonathan if he wants to come along?
McNaught Cadillac, Jonathan speaking.
Hey John, you ready to go?
Yeah,
What are we driving?
Buick LaCrosse 2018 all-wheel drive.
We good to go?
It's time to go.
It's time to go.
Let's go. 2018 Buick LaCrosse. Welcome to McNaught Mondays. And we're going to go on a drive. We're going to test drive the 2018 Buick LaCrosse Premium all-wheel drive. In this vehicle is a 3.6 liter V6 engine. As you can see, she's got some power. Ooh. This isn't your grandpa's car anymore. This Buick LaCrosse has been re-engineered and redesigned for comfort, sport, and luxury. We're going to go over a couple of the features, the touchscreen, the Buick IntelliLink system, maybe even the OnStar Remote Link app. We're going to go over absolutely everything today. Now let's talk about the engine. A 3.6 liter V6 engine with 310 horsepower. That's enough to haul you around, sending it to all four wheels. Pair that with the 9-speed automatic responsive transmission, you have yourself a car that's not only good on fuel, but powerful when you need it the most. Let's just take a look at the beautiful front end of this car. Braden, what kind of rims does it have on it? 20s. And you know,
R20. Wow.
you never see 20s on a car. Even on Cadillacs, you got to get to the premium of premium to even get 20s.
Just look at these body lines. It flows very nice all the way up top.
You know what Buick did in 2017 with this LaCrosse is phenomenal. I mean, we got passive key entry and a beautiful jet black leather interior. You hear that? That's strong. You don't get that from an import. You don't get that at all from an import.
If you come back here, you'll notice it doesn't have a button to get into the trunk. What?
Simple.
I did not know that.
No? I play it with the showroom all the time.
Wait, what? How did you open it?
What? No.
It's a button.
The logo's a button?
The logo's a button.
I did not know that.
That's why Buick is different. That's why. I mean,
What?
let's take a look at the trunk space.
I'm amazed right now.
We even got a cargo net in here.
Okay, John, get in.
I can get in. I could probably fit, honestly.
Wait, how tall are you?
I'm 6'2".
You want to show them how much room there is in that back seat?
Oh, I can show them how much. Hey, in case you're wondering, how much space is in the back seat? Can a full-grown, big guy sit in the back seat? Of course I can. I'm 6'2". Not going to tell you my weight, but I'm 6'2" and I fit comfortably back here. I'm slouched. I got the leg room. I do a road trip in here.
So in this vehicle, there is tons of space. You got space inside the glove box. That is not a glove box, that is a center console, but that's okay. In the glove box, plenty more space. You even got a little nice cubby under here to put anything else you need. Over here is actually a wireless charging pad, so you just stick your phone right inside and it'll charge it. So now let's take a look at the all-new electronic precision shifter. It's very easy to use. You just hold down the brake. If you want to go to drive, you click the button on the side, pull down, you're in drive. If you pull it down again, you're in manual mode, so you can use those very nice paddle shifters. If you want to go to neutral, pull it up, and now you're in neutral. If you want to go to reverse, pull up, pull to the side, and you're in reverse. And park, very simple. Click the button, and you're back in park. So now let's take a look at the Buick IntelliLink system. Over here, we have our audio, XM, AM, FM radio. Go back to home. You got your phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Beautiful navigation screen. Like, just look at that. Over here are settings for other stuff. Climate controls, so you can control it not only on the screen, but also you have real buttons down low. So it's really your preference.
Now we're going to take a quick peek at that gorgeous heads-up display. As you can see here, it's projected onto the windshield. We have Jonathan covering it with his hand just so you could see it a bit better on camera, but this heads-up display has different vehicle information such as your speedometer, your RPMs, and radio information. Very nice.
So now let's just go over the steering wheel and all its features. Inside the dash, you have tons of options where you can select either the info on your vehicle, your audio, your navigation, your phone commands, all through your dash. As well as you have a heated steering wheel and voice recognition system. This vehicle also has adaptive cruise control, which means when you're following behind a vehicle, it'll brake for you and make sure that you do not rear end that vehicle. I'm not saying that you shouldn't stay in your lane and focus on the road, but it also has lane keep assist, which means when you're veering out of the lane, it'll punch you back in and remind you to stay safe, which is great for the highways as well as the city. Safety is Buick's #1 thing. I can't stress that enough.